Yo, hey, what's up? Yo, on today's video, I'm going to review the LA-2A compressor. Just in case it's not mine, I borrowed this from my friend David from the band Play Fever. Actually, I made a video talking about the production like a few months ago, so I'm going to share the link on the description box if you are interested to see how was the process of his band, okay? But now, another thing, it's not that the real unit, it is a clone from the brand Drip. That's I remember right now. Okay, maybe I want to put a picture of the website here or there. Okay, and also he made it because that was a kit, so he built it. And as so far I remember, the unit have like a 4 or 5 tubes. I don't remember that right now, so I'm going to share the pictures of the unit from inside. Okay, so here or there, and this one in particular have one super cool feature. He modded, okay, to make this compressor super, fast or slow, okay? Because as you know, the LA-2A is very known because it's a slow compressor, you know, the timing. But this one in particular, you can make it fast or slow. So that's me, we can use it for drums if you want, okay? And now I will show you the unit, okay? So follow me. All right, so this is the unit itself. Pretty similar as the original, you know, but with a black face, so that's make it even more special. And as you see, this is the power, okay, the gain, the big reduction. This is the output, could be +4 or gain reduction. You have a compressor or limited option, and this is the pretty cool part. This is the fast or slow, and like I said at the beginning of the video, this one is very famous for the slow, you know, attack. But we can make it fast. So, like I said, we can use this for drums.
Social skills been acquired. There's no vibrance when I'm cured. In a constant state of distress, self-inflicted, hated corpse. You pray for the sick and you don't know shit. You sit around and talk with them. You pray for the sick, you don't know shit. You sit around, talk with them. No vigil for a soiled end. Left and speak of walking dead friends. No vigil for a soiled end. Left and speak of walking dead friends. Social skills been acquired. There's no vibrance when I'm cured. And a constant state of distress. Self-inflicted, hated corpse. You pray for the sick, you don't know shit. You sit around and talk with them. You pray for the sick, you don't know shit. You sit around, talk with them. No vigil for a soiled end. Left and speak of walking dead friends. No vigil for a soiled end. Left and speak of walking dead friends.
Damn, that was super cool, right? It sounds amazing. Actually, I don't know if you feel, but as that kind of distortion slash overdrive to the signal. So yeah, that's the sound of the tubes, That's the sound of the original, even in the original LA-2A. And now let me tell you like a personal thing, okay? I remember when I was in audio school, they have a bunch, but I love like LA-2As, and probably because I didn't know how to use it, I was never fan of that. Mainly I become fan of the 1176, okay? But I never be fan of the LA-2A until my friend gave me this one for a mix, okay, for another client, and I was mixing because I have the plugins. I have the Universal plugins version, okay. So let me know if you want like this kind of like a plugin versus analog, okay. That would be cool too to make. But yeah, so I was mixing with that, and it didn't feel right, okay. And then I remember my friend David told me, "Hey man, I have this unit. Take it. You can borrow it from me anytime." So I went to his place. I take it and install it, and then immediately, yeah, that's the sound. That's the sound. Immediately give me that kind of vintage vibe. You hear it, on bass, vocals, and also on drums, because now I can use it on fast or slow. You see it. And yeah, and I really like it, and I hope to keep it more often now. I don't know when my friend David is gonna his compressor back, but for now I will use it here. And yeah, and that's all for today. And please don't forget to share this, to comment, to give me a like, and also I have my email list. Okay, so I'm going to share my QR here there. And yeah, and that's all. And thank you guys. See you.